After a New York judge sets a trial date, Luigi Mangione yells at reporters in a courtroom outburst. In a courtroom tirade on Friday, accused healthcare CEO killer Luigi Mangione blasted double jeopardy as a judge scheduled a trial date for June 8th in his high-profile case, when Manhattan State Judge Gregory Caro established the early trial date, jumping ahead of another October trial date set by the feds in the Southern District of New York. The 27-year-old Ivy League graduate was incensed. The trial is repeated twice. 2 is equivalent to 1 plus 1. Any common sense would tell you that this is double jeopardy. As court guards escorted him out of the chamber, Mangione yelled at reporters. When Mangione's attorney stated in court that they would not be prepared for the June trial, the judge responded angrily. Caro growled from the bench, "Be ready." Mangione has entered a not guilty plea to the ruthless murder of Brian Thompson, the CEO of United Healthcare, on a Midtown sidewalk in December 2024. Luigi Mangione's courtroom outburst is a vivid illustration of the intense pressures that come with high-profile criminal cases. His emotional reaction, shouting about double jeopardy, underscores not only his personal frustration, but also the psychological toll of navigating a legal system that can feel overwhelming, even for someone with a privileged and educated background. While legally his claim of being tried twice is unlikely to succeed, it resonates with a human impulse to seek fairness and clarity in the face of complex judicial proceedings. Judge Caro's firm response, insisting that Mangione be ready, highlights the tension between individual defense rights and the court's obligation to administer justice efficiently. The swift scheduling of the trial demonstrates the judiciary's recognition of both the public interest in the case and the necessity of maintaining momentum in the legal process. In this sense, the courtroom drama serves as a reminder that justice must balance the procedural needs of court, the rights of the defendant, and the societal demand for accountability. Beyond the courtroom, the Mangione case has captured public attention because it combines elements of wealth, privilege, and violence. Society is fascinated not only by the crime itself, but also by the contrast between Mangione's Ivy League upbringing and the alleged severity of his actions. This juxtaposition fuels ongoing discussions about moral responsibility, the pressures of high-status careers, and how even the most seemingly successful individuals can face catastrophic personal and legal consequences. The case also serves as a lens for examining broader issues in the corporate and healthcare sectors, where power struggles, high stakes, and personal ambition intersect. While the full motives behind Thompson's murder are still under investigation, the narrative highlights the sometimes hidden tensions within professional environments and the extreme outcomes that can emerge when those tensions boil over. Ultimately, this trial will be a defining moment, not just for Mangione and his legal team, but for public perception of justice in high-profile cases. The dual state and federal proceedings, the intense media scrutiny, and the courtroom theatrics all contribute to a situation that is as much about societal interest as it is about legal process. The outcome will likely influence public discourse around crime, privilege, and accountability for years to come. In the end, the Mangione case is emblematic of a modern reality. The intersection of wealth, power, media spectacle, and the justice system creates complex narratives that capture our attention, provoke debate, and challenge our assumptions about fairness. While the legal process will determine Mangione's fate, the broader lessons about human behavior, societal expectations, and the pursuit of justice extend far beyond the walls of the courtroom. The public will be watching closely, not only to see how justice is served, but also to grapple with what this case reveals about the values and vulnerabilities of our society at large.